How are you spending your Sunday? I'm on the water in the Hudson. With a bunch of cool people. Watching sunset. Yes. Dave from Manhattankayak. Don't tell her. Oh. I'm glad we got the professional scouting us today. You got it all together. Stay dry today or you go in the water?
Stay dry.
Okay. There you go. Big shout out to Manhattankayak for producing these trips. Thank you for partnering with us. It's exhausting fighting this current and the wind. We're playing this game where we go in between the piers as we pass them to give ourselves a break to make it home to the launch site. It's tiring.